Is your WhatsApp refusing to log in and showing that annoying message? Login not available right now? Don't panic. This isn't just happening to you. It's a common issue, and the good news is you can fix it today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every step to solve the login not available error on WhatsApp. You don't need any third-party apps, just a few changes in your phone's settings, and you'll be back in your chats in no time. So make sure you watch till the end. You're about to take control of your WhatsApp again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control center. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. A weak connection is one of the biggest reasons login fails. Step 2. Refresh the app without losing data. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Scroll and tap on WhatsApp, then tap Offload App. This keeps your data safe while refreshing the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, your messages won't be deleted. Step 3. Restart your device. A fresh reboot clears out temporary glitches that may be blocking your login. So turn your phone off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 4. Update your software. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Make sure your phone is running the latest iOS or Android version. Updates often include bug fixes that help with login issues. Step 5. Set your time and region automatically. Still in Settings, go to Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically. Then go to Language and Region. Tap Region and choose your correct country. Wrong time or location settings can confuse WhatsApp server. Step 6. Turn off any VPN. Go to Settings, VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. VPNs often block WhatsApp from verifying your login. Step 7. Try logging in again. Now, reopen WhatsApp and try to sign in. In most cases, this already solves the problem. Step 8. Contact WhatsApp support if it still doesn't work. Open your browser and search WhatsApp support Contact Us. Tap on the official link. Scroll down and fill out the contact form. Enter your phone number and select your country. Enter your email. Select your device type. Then write something simple like, "I'm unable to log into my WhatsApp account due to the error, login not available right now. Please assist." Submit the form and give it some time. WhatsApp usually replies within 24 hours. Once you've followed all these steps and possibly contacted support, you should be able to access your WhatsApp account without any more issues. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And tell me where you're watching from. If you have questions, I'm here to help. Tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.